At-home teeth whitening options. You would notice that within seconds of the application, your tooth would start to sparkle. A common misconception newcomers to teeth whitening bring is the idea that teeth whitening at home is difficult and they will have no choice but to stay committed to their gels. It could take, say, 3 days, or it could even take a few weeks for signs of teeth whitening to show. You also have 2 types of these gels. You can rinse your teeth with a solution of hydrogen peroxide after brushing. Do not swallow this solution. You can use cotton swabs dipped in this solution, in which the stain initially formed. This is safe as long as you don't swallow it, as it can be harmful if ingested. This remedy also has its negative side effects, such as causing gum sensitivity and erosion of enamel if used too much. Another advantage of this easy-to-use technique is the permanent teeth in seconds. It also removes your plaque and tartar stains. Overall, the landscape of whitening products is always changing. However, as more and more results, this is because the bleaching agent in them is comparatively stronger. You can make your own teeth whitening paste at home. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide has to be mixed in a certain proportion to make a